Hey guys, and welcome back to a new tutorial here on WPBay. This one will show you how to start earning by setting up your vendor account, and also you will see in this tutorial how to manage your vendor dashboard. So after you set up your vendor account, you will be redirected to your vendor dashboard where you will see details about your sales, your current commission, orders, announcements, products, reviews, sales this month, and you will be also able to check your current products by clicking on My Products. You will be able to see and edit your current products. If you want this, click Edit. Here you will be able to add name and also description for your products, featured image, installable zip file, and also you will be able to download it, preview screenshots, the URL of your documentation, attributes, which are live preview URL where customers will be able to see your plugin or theme in action, the compatible with other products if your product is compatible directly with other products, the WordPress versions it supports, the files it includes, tags if it uses WordPress SDK, if it is supported, if it's sold only on WPBay, the licensing type, product visibility, you can set it to public, you can hide it from search, from product listings, and you can hide it from everywhere around the marketplace, and it will be accessible only using direct link. Also, you can leave a message to the reviewer if you do an update, and you can notify buyers if you do a direct update of the installable zip file. Also, you can set pricing options. You can set a monthly, annual, and one-time payment price. Monthly prices will be billed, customers will be billed monthly, annual customers will be billed annually for this price, and one-time payment customers will be billed once only for their purchase. This is a direct checkout link. If you add a price, you will get a direct checkout link for each product price, and if you send this to the customer will be directed to this one-time payment of one site license. You can also add multiple types of licenses. Unlimited developer licenses are also supported, and multi-site licenses, you can add them like this, set your pricing options, or remove them like this. You can create also discounts if you want, set a discount for the license that you created. So keep in mind, I created only one type of license here. If you create multiple types of licenses, you will be able to set multiple types of discounts. Here you can set also free products for temporary free products like this. You can set the product sale price to 0 and also set a start time and end time for your promotion, and click Save Settings. Then the product will be set as free for a limited period of time, or you can discount it for an amount of dollars. Also, if you want to make the product free for everyone, you can set the sale price to 0. This will set the product as free also. Also, trial periods, this means that the customer after purchase will be billed only after this trial period you set here. So for example, if you set a trial period of 3 days, customers purchase, they don't pay anything, and after 3 days they will be billed automatically. So if you set here 3 days, this works for one-time payments and also for recurring subscriptions for products. Customers will be billed after this period. Also, you can see additional info about your product, which was extracted from the metadata of the zip you uploaded. You can enable customer migration, which will allow you to migrate customers which are already on other platforms. Currently we support Envato, and you need to enter the Envato item ID and your API token, and customers will be able to migrate their Envato purchase code to WPBay using this feature. You can also view your product on front end or go back to seller dashboard. So this was my products list. You can also click on new product upload to upload your new product. Select theme plugin script. This process is covered in a previous tutorial video. Be sure to watch it if you want to learn how to upload your first product. You can also handle support. If you click here, you can check customer purchase codes. If you ask a purchase code for customers, you can check them here. You will see also active ticket status here. You can click on the ticket to reply, and also you will be able to close the ticket here. So you can write issue solved after you resolve the issue and close the ticket and click submit. So after this, the ticket will be closed and the customer will be notified about this, and no open tickets will be anymore listed for you. Also, if customers ask questions on your products, then you will be able to reply to them to these questions here. These are Q&A style questions, and for example, this is an example message that somebody left. So this is perfect, thank you, and you can reply to the question here. You can also view orders for your products. You can also check user subscriptions for your products. You can create coupons. This is a very interesting feature, as you will be able to create coupons for your products or for and create discounts for these. So for example, this will allow you to create discounts for your products. So let me delete my existing products, my existing coupons, and create a new one. So set your coupon code here, add a description, discount type. You can select total cart value percentage, total cart value fixed discount, one-time payment fixed, one-time payment percentage, or subscription fixed or percentage discount. Amount, set how much you want to be discounted, fixed or percentage here. Email restrictions, set the email that you want to allow to use these coupons. Usage limit, count, limit per user, expiry date, exclude the sale items. Some items might be already marked as sale. You can exclude these from using these coupons. Minimum order value product, you can select the products that you own that should be active for these coupons. Categories of products, apply for new products. If you publish new products, these will be added automatically for this coupon if you check this checkbox. Exclude products, categories exclude, and show on stores. If you check this on your store, this coupon will appear as featured. Also, you can check reports for your sales, sales by day, top selling, top earning, and statement for your sales will be able to be checked here. You can check details around here. You can check reviews for your products. If customers leave reviews, you can manage them and reply to them here. You can withdraw funds from your account. You have a balance, a minimum withdrawal. You can request a withdrawal here from PayPal or using PayPal or Skrill. You can set up your PayPal or Skrill accounts using the settings and payment option, and you can request a withdrawal here. You can see the payment methods that are already set up here. You can get help with SDK integration. You can see your API key here for WordPress. So for WPBay API, this can be used in the WPBay SDK to provide functionality for it. And there is also a tutorial on how to use the WPBay SDK available, and you will find it in the WPBay website. You can see badges. You can see the badges that you acquired so far. You can add staff to your account. So if you add staff, then you will allow other people to manage tickets from support from your dashboard, and you will be able to get help from people to manage your account. You can check followers. People might follow you and they will be listed here. You can check announcements from WPBay. You can check analytics for your products, which will show the sessions, page views, bounce rate for your products, and many useful info will be checked here. Promotions, keyword, and many more will be interesting. You will be able to join the Invite a Seller program, where you get $50 for each seller who joins and gets its first product approved on WPBay. This is your affiliate link for your invite to get other sellers joined to WPBay. You will get also other bonuses for getting referrals, and the settings will appear here. You can select info about your store and set store info. You can also set payment info. Here in the payment info, you can submit seller verification. This is important as this will grant you an additional badge for your account on the front end, and will also grant you additional features of WPBay in the future. You can set social profile. Here, if you have social network links, you can add them here, and also you can use the store SEO to add SEO details to your store to make it more SEO friendly and also get more traffic. So this is the overview of your dashboard. So you will have here your dashboard, your products. You will be able to upload new product, provide support to customers, respond to questions, review orders, subscriptions, create coupons and discounts for your products, see reports, manage reviews for your products, make withdrawal requests, get help with SDK integration, check badges, add staff to your account, manage followers, announcements from WPBay, see analytics and insights for your products, and use the Invite a Seller product feature. The review product is available only for product reviewers, and yeah, so this is basically the vendor dashboard overview. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. See you in the next one.